Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing fine. Let me teach you a really easy DIY professional headshots with your phone. I have done this in my house. I moved the couch so I would have a white wall, and I'm using a tripod and a seat. Let me teach you now one position. It's really easy, and I always start from the base. Feet open at 90 degrees. I would cross my arms and I would bend my knee to the front. I would recommend this position if you want to emphasize your curves. This is not about being masculine or feminine. This is more about curves and the message you want to convey. Look at this. Now, let's pay attention to the head position. Shoulder close to the camera is more approachable, friendly, and away from the camera is more positive, assertive, and can be also aggressive. Another position is the foot to the front, and then you're going to again bend your knee, and then you have another curved position. Let's try now with the seat. Sit comfortably. And not so comfortable, please go back. Oh yes, and then both hands to the front, and then think about the message you want to convey. Look at this is more assertive, and this I would definitely call more open. That also goes for your profession and the clothes you want to wear, what the message you want to say about yourself. Let's try now the photos. I'm using the front camera, the portrait settings, and the timer. Look at the next CEO, the next manager. Oh my God. You can also smile, and a really easy trick is to breathe deep, and then you have a natural smile. This is a really nice trick. Perfect. Let's try now another position. I would call this, if I may, I would call this a more masculine approach. Starting from the feet, 90 degrees, and the shoulder away from the camera and the head as well. You can either use your hands inside your trousers or cross your arms. Another position as well, starting from the base, from the feet. You can hold your suit. This is more a president. Look at this, the next CEO. Remember the shoulder away from the camera and the head as well. You can also open your jacket if you want. Up. Look at this belly. Look at this. Belly inside. Hello. And the hands inside your trousers as well. Shoulder and head away from the camera. You guys forced me to use some masculine clothes for this shoot. No, who am I kidding? I love it. I wish I was Marlene Dietrich reincarnated in this earth. But I want you guys to see the difference in the positions. Let's now go for the editing. Let's be careful with the colors, because I don't want you guys to use alien colors to your professional shots. Careful with it. You want to keep the color of your skin. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I catch you later.